एआई अब सिर्फ मशीनों की तकनीक नहीं बल्कि भारत के युवाओं का भविष्य बनने जा रहा है। नई दिल्ली के भारत मंडपम में शुरू हुआ है इंडिया एआई इम्पैक्ट समिट 2026, एक ऐसा ग्लोबल इवेंट जहां तय होगा एआई का भविष्य और उनमें भारत की भूमिका। 16 से 20 फरवरी तक चलने वाले इस समिट में एआई की सुरक्षा, डाटा प्राइवेसी, नैतिक उपयोग और भारत के अपने सॉवरेन एआई पर खास फोकस किया जा रहा है। लेकिन इस समिट की सबसे बड़ी खासियत है युवा एआई चैलेंज। ये एक ग्लोबल यूथ चैलेंज है जिसका मकसद है युवाओं को एआई से जोड़ना और उन्हें दुनिया के सामने अपना इनोवेशन दिखाने का मौका देना। इस चैलेंज में 38 से ज्यादा देशों से 2500 से अधिक आवेदन आए, जिनमें से सिर्फ टॉप 20 टीम्स को फाइनलिस्ट चुना गया। और गर्व की बात यह है कि इनमें से 15 टीमें भारत की हैं। ये युवा एआई का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं मलेरिया और कैंसर की पहचान, किसानों की मदद, बाढ़ और जंगल की आग की चेतावनी और यहाँ तक कि डीप फेक पकड़ने जैसे सिस्टम बनाने में। यानी एआई अब सिर्फ टेक नहीं बल्कि लोगों की जिंदगी बचाने और आसान बनाने का जरिया बन रहा है। इस प्रतियोगिताओं में टॉप 3 विजेताओं को 15-15 लाख रुपए का इनाम मिलेगा। इस समिट का उद्घाटन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी करेंगे और इनमें दुनिया के बड़े नाम जैसे सुंदर पिचाई, सैम ऑल्टमैन और कई ग्लोबल सीईओ शामिल होंगे। अब ये साफ है, एआई का भविष्य सिर्फ सिलिकॉन वैली में नहीं, अब भारत के युवा भी दुनिया बदलने के लिए तैयार हैं।
System. The name of my innovation is IGSS, which stands for Intelligent Grain Storage System. So basically in India, millions of tons are being lost every year due to poor storage methods. We have unscientific, unconventional methods of storage being implemented in India. So for that, I have created my innovation, Intelligent Grain Storage System. It monitors the grain storage area in real time and it predicts the risk early and ensures that automative control systems are being implemented and intelligent alerts are given to the supervisor so that they can take immediate action in time.
First time happening AI Summit in India, what you are in mind?
I am very grateful for this opportunity. I am very happy to be here and I am very grateful.
Thank you. एक बार कोई नाम बता दीजिएगा शुभांगी जी फिर से।
शुभांगी सिंह।
Thank you.
सृष्टि पुरोहित।
What type of innovator you do, what is your does and what you are in mind?
My innovation is basically a web app for patients of chronic fatigue syndrome. It is a syndrome जिसमें you experience constant fatigue, sleep difficulties होती है और साथ में there is a lot of pain. इसे मैनेज करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है एंड इंडिया में बिकॉज ऑफ स्टिग्मा इसको ज़्यादातर वीकनेस कह देते हैं और पीपल इवन कॉल दीज एक्सक्यूजेज अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बट दैट्स नॉट द केस. So to help the patients of chronic fatigue syndrome manage their condition well, I developed Enervision. So मुझे पता अपनी मम्मी से चला. I once asked her really randomly कि what are some conditions जिनके बारे में बात ज़्यादा नहीं होती but they are like really prominent in India. So she told me about this. I researched about it. I read some blogs and उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा ideate किया and I developed this product. So the main features are first symptom tracking. You can track your symptoms like fatigue level, sleep quality, etc. Then you have a pacing feature where you can add reminders, and pacing basically is a technique used by patients of chronic fatigue syndrome where you rest for some time, then you work for some time and the cycle continues, so you don't get burnt out that easily. And then there's also an AI chatbot which answers users' queries whenever they need them to. So that's everything in a nutshell. Thank you.
AI Summit happening in India, what are you in mind?
I'm very lucky to be a part of AI by the India AI Impact Summit. I'm really happy that it's happening in India. Last time I think it happened in France, and India is also growing in terms of AI. People are innovating so much, and I think it's a really great platform for those innovators. And हम दिखा रहे हैं पूरे विश्व को कि हम लोग भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हैं और हमारे यहाँ के कितने अच्छे इनोवेशंस हैं.
थैंक यू. नाम एक बार बता दीजिए.
सृष्टि पुरोहित.
Hello, I'm Akhila. Sorry?
What kind of innovation you do? किस तरह की innovation आपने किया है?
Okay.
What's your name?
I'm Akhila.
What kind of innovation you do and what is the benefit of this innovation?
Okay. So my platform, my solution is called as Desh Ke Haath. This is an AI-based e-commerce platform where we offer 28 states and 8 union territories different handicrafts. So this basically solves, we don't include middlemen. This is a direct profit that we are giving to the artisans, where we directly connect the audience, the customers with the artisans.
AI Summit happening in India. AI Summit being held in India. What do you take on this?
So I think that it's wonderful when there are large forums that aggregate a lot of thinkers from different spaces, whether it be entrepreneurs, civil society, which is where I'm from, academia, consumers, businesses, students, universities, etc. Because I think that the more multi-stakeholder discussions are, the better and more fruitful they are. What I really like about this summit is, one, the emphasis on inclusivity, and two, the emphasis on practical impact. So there's today, for instance, been a lot of discussion about the practical realities of having an AI startup in India across different sectors. And I think that is something that the founders over here would really be able to take away from or draw important insights from, because often we see that prototypes are built in a way that is divorced from the realities on the ground, and that is why a lot of them fail. So it's good that there's this emphasis on practicality in the discussions today.
टेक समिट का आज इनॉग्रेशन हो रहा है. देश दुनिया से बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं इसमें पार्टिसिपेट. कितना ये भारत के लिए आगे बढ़ने का कदम है, इसको लेकर आप क्या कहते हैं?
I think बहुत important है. I think best part इस summit का है, और हमने पोस्टर्स देखे हैं, और श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी बोला है कि इंक्लूसिव पार्टिसिपेशन. तो इंक्लूसिविटी नॉट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ AI डिसेमिनेशन, बट यहाँ पे भी हम देख सकते हैं कि बहुत डिफरेंट किस्म के लोग आए हैं. तो VCs हैं, एकेडमिक्स हैं, स्टार्टअप्स हैं, गवर्नमेंट है, और जितना लोग अलग अलग फील्ड से आए. और
AI Summit is starting on a very, very solid ground with political leadership support, with a massive expo, and the pursuit of reconciling AI security with AI adoption. My understanding is that India is starting to understand that if you don't put security at the center, it's going to be difficult to industrialize this technology, because at the center, you've got a black box. No one, even those who design the systems, understand how they operate. It's difficult to build an industrial system onto something you don't understand, because it's difficult to secure something you don't understand. And people are starting to understand that machine learning needs to be investigated towards more interpretability, more safety by design, more security by design. And we at AI Safety Connect are here to help.
All right.
Your good name?
Cyrus Horace.
Okay, Cyrus, how do you see AI Summit in India?
So it's a fantastic gathering that follows up on the Bletchley Park gathering, right? That Prime Minister Sunak launched in 2024, Macron took in 2025, and now we have India gathering. The main issue is that safety is not part of the name. Usually it was the AI Safety Summit, right? In France it became the AI Action Summit, and here in India the AI Impact Summit. We're here to bring the safety conversation back into the summit. So it's a great opportunity, because India, as you know, is a fantastic country on AI, massive market, but we have to bring the safety conversation here at the summit. That's why we're here.
It is starting on a very, very solid ground with political leadership support, with a massive expo, and the pursuit of reconciling AI security with AI adoption. My understanding is that India is starting to understand that if you don't put security at the center, it's going to be difficult to industrialize this technology, because at the center, you've got a black box. No one, even those who design the systems, understand how they operate. It's difficult to build an industrial system onto something you don't understand, because it's difficult to secure something you don't understand. And people are starting to understand that machine learning needs to be investigated towards more interpretability, more safety by design, more security by design. And we at AI Safety Connect are here to help.
We see a lot of potential for AI in India, given the massive volume of people that we have and given the need that we have in terms of being the global south. AI here is not a luxury. AI here will be a necessity because we have a lot of people to serve, not enough experts, and the existing expert, when we're armed with AI, will create a lot more impact and will serve a lot more people in a much better way.
Okay. How is benefit for India?
It has immense benefits for India. Like for us at Cure.ai, we have seen that when we do state level pilots or healthcare pilots with public health systems, we are able to show 35% more TB patients are detected. We are able to show that lung cancer diagnosis time can go down by 50%, which are all life-saving interventions, not just for the patient itself, but also their loved ones, friends and family. In fact, we have collected a set of these case studies and launched our India AI Impact report in this summit, which is a case study of all the stories, all the interventions that have been made by Cure in a life-saving manner.
Soundarajan.
How do you see AI in India?
AI in India is booming big time because consumers are getting used to AI right from kids. So AI is going to be very, very critical for all enterprises.
What is benefit for India?
The cost of doing business will come down significantly. The cost of consuming a service will come down significantly. My kid can do a cartoon today, without any expert involved in the process. So it can happen very quickly. For example, loan approvals. Take real world examples. Loan approval, doing it in 2 minutes without any risk. Medication, doing it faster. Scanning, all those things will become faster, better, easier for citizens. So that's a very important use case.
Okay. Do you have card?